Have you ever wondered why your blood is red? Why red? Why not green or blue or even purple like some alien goo in sci-fi movies? What makes this specific color so special? And what would happen if human blood wasn't red? Today, we're diving deep into the science inside your veins to uncover why blood looks the way it does and what that color actually reveals about life itself. What gives blood its red color? The answer lies in a molecule called hemoglobin, the real superstar of your red blood cells. Hemoglobin's main job is to carry oxygen from your lungs to every cell in your body. But here's the fun part. It contains iron, and that's the key to the color. When iron binds with oxygen, it forms a compound called oxyhemoglobin, which reflects light in such a way that it looks bright red. That's why freshly oxygenated blood, like what's flowing through your arteries, appears bright red. When the oxygen is released to your tissues, the blood turns a bit darker, like a deep crimson. That's what you see in your veins, but it's still red, not blue. Wait, so why do our veins look blue? This is one of the biggest myths in biology. Our veins look blue, but that's just an optical illusion. When light hits your skin, it penetrates to a certain depth. The blue wavelengths of light scatter more easily, while red light is absorbed more deeply. So the light reflected back to your eyes makes veins appear bluish, even though the blood inside is still red. In other words, your blood doesn't change color. Your eyes are just being tricked by physics and biology working together. Why not green or blue blood, like some animals? Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some creatures actually do have green or blue blood. For example, octopuses, squids, and horseshoe crabs have blue blood because they use copper, not iron, to carry oxygen. Their oxygen-carrying molecule is called hemocyanin, and when copper binds with oxygen, it turns blue. Kind of like how iron rusts red, copper rusts blue. Meanwhile, some worms and lizards have green blood because of a pigment called biliverdin, a byproduct of breaking down red blood cells. Normally, humans filter biliverdin out through the liver, but some animals don't, so it builds up and gives their blood a green tint. So if evolution had taken a slightly different path, humans could have ended up with green or blue blood too, depending on which metal became our oxygen carrier. Why red is perfect for humans. But evolution chose iron for a reason. Iron is abundant, efficient, and binds oxygen strongly, yet not too strongly. That perfect balance makes hemoglobin one of the most efficient oxygen transport systems in the entire animal kingdom. So our blood's red color isn't just random. It's a symbol of biological optimization. Every heartbeat pumps millions of tiny red cells designed by evolution to keep you alive, second by second. So next time you see that drop of red on your skin, remember, that color represents billions of years of evolution, chemistry, and life itself. Pretty wild, right? So tell me in the comments, if you could choose your blood color, what would it be? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we've got way more science mysteries coming your way.